Do you want to know how to make your ad campaign successful? Well, tracking pixel and tags are your secret weapons. With Pinterest Pixel, you can build an audience for retargeting ads. Simply put, Pinterest Pixel is a piece of code that you add to your website to track user behavior and optimize your advertising campaigns. Hi, I'm Hassan, a digital marketing and data analytics expert. I have helped many small businesses like yours reach their target audience and boost their sales. And here's the best part. I do it all through data-driven insights that help me create effective marketing strategies. In this video, I will guide you step by step for setting up Pinterest Pixel along with Google Tag Manager on your WordPress website, testing it to make sure everything is working correctly and using it to create custom audiences for retargeting with your ads. By the end of this video, you will have all the knowledge you need to start tracking your website traffic like a pro. Plus stick around till the end for the ultimate conversion tracking hack, where I will show you how to use Pinterest Pixel to track any events so you can see exactly how many sales or leads your ads have generated. And if you are a freelancer, listen up. By learning these skills, you can earn some extra money by helping businesses like the ones I have worked with, and trust me, there is no shortage of clients looking for this expertise. Before we begin with this tutorial, I would really appreciate your support. Please take a moment to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you will be the first one to know about the latest tips and tricks to boost your business growth. Without wasting any more time, let's dive into Pinterest. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you have a Pinterest ads account. Once you have got that, you will see a dashboard like this. Step 1. Click on Get Started. Pinterest provides 3 methods for setting up conversion tracking. To keep things simple and easy, we will choose the Pinterest tag option. Click Continue and enter your domain name. Voila, Pinterest already knows that my website is built on WordPress. They do offer an integration partner with Google Tag Manager or WordPress plugin, but let's keep it simple and skip that for now. Step 2. There are 2 ways to install your Pinterest tag on WordPress. Option 1 is to copy and paste the code snippet directly into WordPress header section. Option 2 is to copy the Pinterest tag ID and use Google Tag Manager to install the tag on your website. For this video, we will go with option 2 and use Google Tag Manager. Now you might be wondering why we use Google Tag Manager. Well, here's the deal. Firstly, with Google Tag, you can track various events on your website, giving you a complete picture of your marketing efforts. Secondly, you can use complex rules and triggers in Google Tag Manager to track only the events that matter most to your business. And lastly, Google Analytics with Google Tag provide more insights into your website performance and user behavior, which can help you optimize ad campaigns and boost ROIs. And don't forget to copy the ID and save it for later. Now let's move on to the next step, setting up Google Tag Manager on your WordPress website. Next, you will need a Google Tag Manager account to set up tracking on your website. After you have created your account, simply log into Google Tag Manager and create an account if you haven't already done so. Enter your business name, your country and your domain name. Choose the target platform. In our case, it will be web, and click Create. Once you are in, here's what your workspace would look like. You will need to install the Google Tag Manager code on your WordPress site. You can do this by pasting the code in the header and body section of your website. To do this, click on the code button at the top, then simply click on the first section of code to copy the snippet. Now let's see how to install the code snippet in WordPress. Go to your WordPress admin panel, click on code snippet and then go to headers and footers. Paste the code from GTM into the header section of WordPress. Then copy the remaining code from GTM and paste it into the body section in WordPress. Hit Save Changes and congratulations, you have successfully installed Google Tag Manager on your website. But the setup is not complete yet. Remember the unique ID from Pinterest tag. Now go to Pinterest Tag Manager and copy your unique partner ID. Now head back to your Google Tag Manager. Click on tags and then click the new button to open a list of available tags in GTM. Click on tag configuration and type Pinterest in the search box. This will bring up our desired tag. Select Pinterest tag and under configuration paste the unique partner ID you got from Pinterest Tag Manager. You can leave all the other settings as they are. Next, click on triggering. A trigger is what tells Google Tag Manager when to track an event. For example, you could set up a trigger to track when a user submits a form on our website. In this case, set it to all pages view, hit save. It will ask you to rename it, so rename it as Pinterest tag base code. Then hit save again. I think of it like the foundation of your website tracking code for Pinterest, which will be active on all pages. No page left behind. Click submit. Enter a cool version name like Pinterest tag base code installed and click publish. Alright, it's time to put our hard work to test and make sure everything's running smoothly. Go to Workspace. Click on the preview button in the top right corner of Google Tag Manager. Then enter the URL you want to test this pixel on and hit connect. Explore a few pages of website to trigger events for your Pinterest tag. Click finish at the bottom right corner and then click continue. Voila, you see the tag fired up and ready to go. But hold on a second, just because it fired up doesn't mean everything's okay. We need to double check with the help of our little friend, the Pinterest Tag Helper Chrome plugin. Once you have installed it, the helper will show up like this, easy peasy. Refresh the page and voila again. The gray turns to red, which means the helper found the request sent from your website to Pinterest. Click it and you will see the URL of the page where the request was sent from. See, testing isn't so scary after all. Now go back to Pinterest Tag Manager and hit continue as we have already installed Pinterest Tag. Next you will see a window asking if you would like to enable the automatic enhanced match feature. Don't be intimidated. This is a fancy way of saying that you can securely share scrambled version of personally identified information, also known as hash data, that your customers have provided on your website to Pinterest. This helps Pinterest match more of your website visitors and conversion to people on Pinterest, leading to better campaign performance and audience reach. Click continue. This doesn't matter right now, so click done. And that's it. You have successfully set a Pinterest tag in WordPress. If you see this message, you have not set a Pinterest tag, give it a day or two, grab a coffee or a snack and come back to check it out later. Once you are back, refresh the page and you should start seeing some action. Go to Tag Manager and look for the tag ID. It should match the same ID we used in the basic code earlier. Now let's get to the fun part. Let's start with tracking page views. Every time someone visits your website, you want to track that page, right? So all you have to do is to head back to Google Tag Manager. Open your base code tag. Click anywhere in the tag configuration and switch from base code to page visit. Easy peasy. We will rename it as Pinterest Tag Page Views. And click save and click submit. Enter a cool version name like Pinterest tag successful and click publish. To test the Pinterest tag again, let's go to our website and refresh the page. Voila! Now we can see not one but two events in the tag helper on our website. Let's go back to Pinterest interference and refresh the page. Look at that, two events appears, the initialization event and the page visit event. Now we know that Pinterest tag is working properly. If you don't see them right away, give it a couple of hours and refresh again. And just like that, all your website visitors will be tracked with Pinterest tag. See, that wasn't so hard, was it? So you have got your Pinterest tag set up and you are collecting data from your website visitors. Now what can we do with that data? One thing we can do is to create custom audiences for your ads. This means that you can show your ads to a specific group of people based on the behavior on your website. Let's say you are a real estate business owner and you want to show ads to people who have visited your website and viewed Florida properties. With Pinterest Pixel, you can easily create an audience and retarget those potential buyers with ads.
To get started, head over to your ads in the top menu and select audiences. And then click create audience. Choose site visitors as your preferred method for retargeting ads. Name your audience as Florida listing page views. Next, you will select the source for your audience, which in this case will be your Pinterest tag. Once you have selected your tag, you can then apply some optional filters to include or exclude certain visitors. For example, you can select people who have visited a specific page and enter the URL of the page where you have listed your Florida properties. Select Contents in the drop-down menu. Now head over to page where we listed Florida properties. Copy the URL and paste just Florida property listings. This way the tracking will work even the URL contains additional elements like HTTPS or www. Once you have set up those filters, click create audience and Pinterest will start gathering data on your visitors who match the specified criteria.
Once you have set up your audience, you will need to wait for enough data to be accumulated before you can start using it for retargeting campaigns. In the upcoming video, I will show you how to set up conversion tracking events for your Pinterest ads with a step-by-step guide. So mark your calendar and join me for the next video. I will include the link in the description for you. It will be a highly disposable video. And hey, if you are not up for handling all this technical stuff yourself, no worries. My team and I are here to save the day. We can set up tracking events tailored to your business and run ad campaign for you. So you can sit back, relax and let us handle the heavy lifting. Book a free consultation and get in touch with us. I will also put the link in the description for you. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment down below, follow and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tips and tricks. That's all for now, but I will catch you soon in the next one.